Okay, so for this problem, we want to basically make sure we are Oprah. We need to give the power of -2 to the 5 and to the -8. That gives us 5 to the -2 over 8 to the -2. Both exponents indicate that the base is sad, so we need to move it to make the base happy. So 8 to the 2nd is going to be in the numerator, 5 to the 2nd is going to be in the denominator. Now that they've moved, they're both happy, giving me 64 over 25. In this one, I need to be Oprah again, so I need to give the power of -4 to the -3 and to the m, giving me -3 to the -4 power, and m to the -4. I put the -3 in parentheses to show that it's -3 that is going to be the base. So both exponents are sad, so I'm going to move them both to the denominator, giving me -3 to the 4th in the denominator, and m, doesn't need to be in parentheses, m to the 4th in the denominator, and if nothing's in the numerator, we leave a 1. -3 to the 4th is -3 times -3 times -3 times -3. That gives me a positive, and it's going to be 81. So the final answer will be 1 over positive 81 m4. And then again, I have to be Oprah in this problem, so the exponent -3 has to come to all three bases. So I get 4 to the -3, x to the positive 12, because power to a power we multiply, y to the -6, and if I look through, the people that are sad are the 4 and the y. X to the 12th is going to stay to the numerator because it has a positive exponent, but 4 to the 3rd will be in the denominator and y to the 6th. I finish up by doing out what 4 to the 3rd is, which is 64. So my final answer is x to the 12th over 64 y to the 6th power.